Are you ready for the dive to the Zaffiro cave? It's just over there. So with the boat we go closer, we jump in the water, we go down just 5 meters. And after we go inside, there is a very big entrance. It's like 7-8 meters and 3 meters high. So it's super safe. We go inside, and so with the light, of course. And when I will tell you go up, we just go slowly, slowly. We get the surface, and you will see inside. It's amazing.
Nice.
And it's full of stalactite, stalagmite, column. You will see it's very, very nice. Okay.
All right.
Are you ready for that?
Ready.
Perfect. So let's go.
Okay.
3, go. Okay, Roberta, are you ready for our second dive? We finally explore the Isca island underwater. We'll jump here, crossing the natural arch full of sea life and corals, and we'll enter in the cave below the island.